Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A20e with any Android TV. First of all, we are giving a disclaimer here that phone used here is not actually A20e, but for educational and demo purposes, this phone is used. Okay, let's learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A20e with any Android TV. First of all, make sure that you have connected your phone and TV to a common Wi-Fi. So go to your phone and go to Wi-Fi section of your phone and see what is used in your phone. Okay, see. Durai 5G is used to. Okay, so this Durai 5G Wi-Fi should also be used in your TV too. So go to your TV and select settings of TV to find out Wi-Fi and click on network and internet, and yes, I have found Wi-Fi and see here Durai 5G is used. So the same Wi-Fi is used for connecting phone as well as TV. Okay, now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search Google Home app. Google Home app. Yes, search the Google Home app and install this Google Home app from your phone. Just install this Google Home app from your phone. Just wait few seconds for downloading and installing, and click on open and click on get started. Click on next, give permission and select the email ID from your phone. Here, what email ID you have used in your TV, that email ID should be selected. Okay, so here I was selecting this. Okay, and click on next, give permissions, and click on next, give permission, and click on skip, and click on devices. You will see the TV device here. Just wait few seconds for appearing this device. Yes, it is appeared here, and click on TV device and click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See, so what you see in your phone, that is also seen in your TV. Okay, if you would like to go to another page, yes, I open Google Chrome app in my phone, that is also seen in my TV. In this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone Samsung Galaxy A20e with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.